Hi, this is Bill Schaefer. Thanks for watching. In this video, we're going to talk about the Primus GFS 3.0 reference, and specifically, we're going to go into Table 1 agronomic inputs. And we have many farms, but we don't have any farms that use agronomic inputs other than inorganic fertilizers. So this page, which is available to the public, is the Primus GFS 3.0 reference tools. So Module 1, Module 2 Farm, Module 3 Indoor Agriculture. We don't have anyone, this is greenhouse, we don't have anyone doing greenhouse, or at this point preventive controls isn't required, so we don't have anyone doing that as well. But we do have farms doing Module 1, Module 2, Module 4, 5, and 6. But also what's required as compared to version 2, many of the gap questions were put into farm, but many of them were also moved down into these tables. So these tables are also required in version 3 if it applies to you. So we're going to take a look at agronomic inputs right now. I'll click on this and I'll just kind of explain what that is. So we click on this page and it brings up a checklist, and this page tells you which are the agronomic inputs that you would be required to complete if you did these various things. So sewage, for example, or animal-based manure, etc. Most of our farms, I guess all of our farms, are using inorganic fertilizers to some extent. And so that would be this section here says complete page 8. So if you don't use sewage sludge, you don't have to complete page 1. So now we're going to take a look at what's on page 8. I have a tab open. I guess I didn't have a tab open for that. Let me take a quick look here. No, I don't have a tab open. Well, we'll roll down and take a look, and here's some of the descriptions of those various things and points that are involved in the questions and so forth. So, this whole section in here, we don't really do. We're only going to do this one section that says inorganic fertilizers. These half a dozen questions that are in there. So we're going to roll down till we see page 8, which is that section. We're down to 3. Probably see those numbers going by. I can barely see them, but here's page 8. So that, as you can see, there's only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So the way Schaefer Farm Services puts that together to answer those questions is we create a spreadsheet, and here's the spreadsheet. We put all those questions in the spreadsheet, and as we see the questions here, we have a chance for the farm, and we'll ask each of our farms to respond to that. It says our inorganic fertilizers used, and so they'll click in this box and put a farm response, and of course the answer would be yes on most of the farms. That's why we have that here, and then these are the questions we need to answer to get points for that particular piece. So that's inside their team drive for each of the farms, and our team drives, if we click on team drives here, we can see we have team drive for our various farms. We open up Richter Farms and we'll see the spreadsheet that was recently edited. So that's how farms will get to it, and that's how we can answer those questions, and so that we can prepare if it's required for this particular question, 2.08.06c, asks for certificate of analysis from the various fertilizers, and this one is our fertilizer records you use, so you want to know when you put it in, application records, when you've used it, and so thus we'll be prepared for the audit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.